Welcome to MZ Digital Solutions. If you're seeing this, congratulations! You're part of the top 3 businesses we chose to boost their online reputation without actually spending money on Facebook and Google Ads. And before you think I'm selling you something, don't worry because we're offering this service for free for a limited amount of time only. So, watch this video until the end to know the details and information about this service. My name is Nigel Sistoso, and currently we own a video editing agency. We handle multiple businesses' social media accounts by editing their reels, advertising videos, YouTube videos, and YouTube shorts. Now, we plan to transition to digital marketing because we saw a lot of businesses with good products and services, but they don't have a solid online reputation and they spend a lot of money on Facebook and Google Ads, which most likely will not convert if they don't have enough solid online reputation. Did you know that many businesses lose potential customers because of these common online issues? So here are the problems that you didn't know builds a huge impact on your business. In short, mao ni ang mga problema nga wala ka kabalo as business owner nga bumaday ni siya ang dako kayo nga impact para sa imong business. This can turn your business upside down. Number one is ineffective marketing strategies. Ads and promotions don't attract customers or didn't attract your desired customers. For example, nag Facebook ads ka, and kanang imong Facebook ads wala siya nag-attract sa mga desired customers nimo, 'di ba? So wala siya nag-attract, so dili siya convert og paying customers. Kay mali man ang na-attract, 'di ba? So next ane is low brand awareness. The business isn't well known in the market. So imong business wala siya strong online reputation. Very underrated. Even though nga ikaw as manager or ikaw as CEO, kabalo ka nga you have a good products and services. This can apply to restaurants, coffee shops, and other services. Weak online presence, poor social media engagement, or website visibility. It doesn't necessarily means that you need to have a website to have a strong online reputation. So, Facebook is enough actually. So, need pud siya og strong engagement sa imong social media to have that clear and to have that good reviews. Number 6 is competition. Struggling to stand out from other businesses. This is one of the most important aspects. If ikaw as business owner dili ka kabalo mo stand out sa mga other competitors, even though again you know nga naa kay nindot nga products and services and wala ka kabalo unsay way to stand out, this is perfect for you. This service is perfect for you. Lack of automation. Too many manual tasks slow down productivity. 'Di ba? For example, ikaw as starting pa ka or first time pa nimo sa business industry and imo siyang gina-manual tanan, nag-reply sa customers manual, call manual, buhat og website manual, reviews manual, mga yung reviews manual, that can actually slow down your productivity. So what if let's automate that one? Pwede na to na siya ma-automate. What if you use automation, 'di ba? So kana siya, pwede na mo na ma-help sa inyo ha. Number 6 is negative online reviews and ratings. Bad reviews on Google, Trustpilots, Facebook, and etc. Damaging your business credibility. Credibility. Unfair or fake negative reviews affecting customers' trust. So kita as customer usually nowadays is nag-search na lang ta sa Facebook, Google kung ahata mukaon, mukuha sa service, magpagwapa, 'di ba? So mag-search na lang ta di ara. So kita man gyud mamili ta og nasa top daghang ratings, nindot ang reviews, it has a positive reviews, makita na to ang trust sa customers na diyan ha. So mo na ato ang pilion. So if makita na to diara ang mga bad reviews or mga negative reviews, even though it's fake, 'di ba? So it can affect the business credibility. Number 7 is poor search engine result. Negative news articles appearing on the first page of Google. Outdated or misleading information about the business ranking high. Number 8, low brand credibility and trust issues. Lack of positive customer feedback or social proof. So again, if nindot imong business pero wala kay kuan weak imong social proof or weak imong online reputation, that can't attract businesses. No strong online presence leading to skepticism from potential clients. So if you lack of positive customers feedback, you're missing out a lot. You're missing out a huge potential.
So, hi, my name is Michael, and right now I'm going to share with you what is the value of online reputation management and how it can help your business. So, let's say you're a gym owner in Iligan City, and I were your potential client or customer. So, if I have no friends in Iligan City or I don't know someone who can refer me a good gym, I think the most logical thing that I would do is search in Google, right? So I would just go to google.com and I would search gyms in Iligan City. So this could be any business in Iligan. Can be a restaurant, can be I don't know, a cake shop or a coffee shop, anything, right? So if I were a customer looking for a gym or a client, I would just look into the ratings and how many reviews a gym has, right? So aesthetics has five, but only has four reviews. So maybe I would, rethink my choices, and I would search again here. So WeFit has 4.8 and has 13. So I would most likely go with WeFit because Bongot has 4.6 but has 25 reviews, right? So I think um, the number says a lot, right? Because the rating of a gym in Google matters on the reviews of the customer, right? So it's either a 3-star, 4-star, or 5-star. So with Bongot, uh, they may have 25 reviews, but they have a 4.6 rating. Maybe that's because some of their customers are not either satisfied or they just give 2 or 3 stars. So it would deeply affect your Google My Business profile and your ranking in Google. So, which is why it's really important if we can filter out or we can dispute the negative reviews, right? Because with Facebook ads, once you turn on the Facebook ads, you're most likely to have new clients, right? But with Google reviews, it's permanent. So if you will not dispute the negative reviews and resolve it um, privately, then it would deeply affect your rating in Google, even though you have a lot of reviews. So one example is, for example, Kyrie. They have 34 reviews, but they have a 4.6 rating. So that's basically what will happen if you will not have a solid online reputation. So let's go on to the next part, which is how does it work? We have an app where we can automate the process of asking for a Google review from your customer. Because most likely, if you're a business owner and you want your reviews to go up, you would just say to you maybe customer or client, ma'am, sir, can you please give us a review in my Google business profile? And you would instruct them to search this link, go through here, go through that. We can actually create a QR code in which you can print out, and your customers can just scan it, and they would be directed to a landing page like this. So this is an example of a landing page that I did for a client here in Iligan City. The good thing about this automation, about having a landing page, is if the customer is not satisfied with your product or service and they would rate it maybe 1 to 3 star, it will not reflect on your Google My Business profile. So, for example, I'm a customer and I just scan a QR code that I will be making for your business and I was not satisfied. Maybe I would just choose maybe 1 to 3 stars. So if I would click here in 1 up to 3, wait, let me demonstrate. So let's say I click here in 1 to 3 star. So I would be directed in a form like this. So uh, the customer or the client can fill out her or his first name, phone number, email, and their concern or their, I don't know, rant maybe about your product or service. So once they submit it, it will be directed to the app that I will be giving you access to. So you can, so through that you can resolve the problem or the dissatisfaction of the customer privately. But if the customer were to rate it 4 to 5 star, if they click here and here, they would be directed to your Google My Business profile. So through this automation, we can filter out the low reviews and just keep the high rating reviews. So most likely 4 to 5 star. So let's say your business, once you start collaborating with us and we do this for free for a limited amount of time. Let's say you have maybe 1 to 3 customers or even more than that in a day, and you ask them for a solid or an honest review, and you just send them a QR code which they can scan and they will be directed to a page like this. Imagine doing it for 30 days or 14 days. How many Google reviews will you get, and how it will affect your ranking in Google? Like, for example, this one, Aesthetics Fitness Hub has only 4 reviews, but they have a 5.0 star rating. So imagine if that was your gym. You know what I mean? If you can do this for maybe 14 to 13 days, then your reputation in Google will get higher. And let's say I'm new to the place in Iligan, and I wanted to work out, or maybe I wanted to start my fitness journey, and I would search for a gym. I would just go to Google, and you will automatically rank 1 to 3 on Google, and you would be prioritized, and the clients would most likely go to your gym. I think that's pretty much it on the effects. So just like aesthetics, they have 4 reviews, but they have a 5.0 rating, while Bongot Fitness has 25 and Kyrie even has 34, but their star rating is 4.6. So through our automation and through what we will do, then we will surely increase your ranking in Google, and therefore make your Google My Business profile show up organically in Google.
If you think this is impossible, let's analyze your business transactions on a daily basis. Let's set an example. If you have a minimum of 2 to 3 transactions or customers on a daily basis and you ask them for a review while having the power to dispute the negative reviews, and this can bring your business online reputation to the top, diba? If naa kay 2 to 3 customers, clients per day, that's actually minimum. 'Di ba? Gamay ra kay na sa isa ka negosyo nga magka customer og duha og tulo. 'Di ba? If mag-ask ka sila ha og kuan og reviews day by day, mo increase imong Google reviews or Facebook reviews, 'di ba? At the same time, ma-dispute pa gyud nato na siya, 'di ba? So katong way nato nga gi-show ni Michael Otara, dili to siya actually bias. 'di ba? So katong problema sa isa ka customer o problema niya sa negosyo and ikaw as manager or CEO, that issues is between you the customer and you as a manager or a CEO. 'Di ba? So mas ma-fix niyo siya tarong. Dili na siya kailangan nga maabot sa Facebook, social media, anywhere para lang ma-fix or kailangan i-show sa tanan nga mo ni problema mo ni akong concern sa negosyo. No. Let's take as professional as possible. 'Di ba? Mas maayos siya, mas formal, 'di ba? Many businesses rely on Facebook and Google Ads and unaware of how to develop a solid online reputation, which is the most important factor in attracting customers online. If ikaw nagtanaw ani karon, wala ka kabalo unsay buhaton pero na kay Google reviews and Facebook reviews, na kay Facebook page, na kay business, nga kabalo ka as CEO or manager, whatsoever, nga nindot inyong services and products nga gina-offer. This is perfect kaayo sa inyo ha. It's because, again, this is free. 'Di ba? No catch. This offer is free. Again, free until the end of March 2025. And this will never be free again. So dili na ni siya ma-free next time, na ni siya bayad na ni siya next time, 'di ba? If kani siya karon imo ni siyang i-grab nga opportunity, your business will go good sa top, 'di ba? Top sa Google reviews pag i-search ka. So if you want to build a solid online for your business, book a free consultation with me through our Calendly link below. Again, this is free, no catch. We only want you to be our next successful case study. So thank you so much and congratulations and good luck.